Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have this super easy and beginner friendly wrap sweater. It uses a weight 3 or a DK yarn and a 4.5mm hook. You can find the free written pattern on my blog crochetwithcarrie.com. But before we go into today's tutorial, I have some exciting news. If you've been following me on Instagram, you will know that I've just recently written a book. It releases on October 7th. You can pre-order right now. I will leave all the links down below. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. It's been a year in the making, a lot of time and effort, and just everything has gone into this book. It has 15 patterns and they all range from small to 3XL, so there's a bit of something for everyone. The patterns range from sweaters to cardigans, vests and shawls. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'll leave all the links down below if you want to go ahead and pre-order. So for this wrap sweater, you're going to need a weight 3 or a DK yarn. I've used Stylecraft Special DK. You can use any other weight 3 yarn. Another similar yarn would be the Paint Box DK. The shade colour I've used for this is denim. And you're also going to need a 4.5mm hook. And in this tutorial I make the size small to medium. So we're going to start off by making a very long chain, and we are going to chain 316. I'm just going to do a smaller swatch just for demonstration purposes, but you are going to make 316 chains. So once you have your 316 chains, we are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then we are going to single crochet into each of the next 55 chains. So at the end of this we should have 56 single crochets. Now into the next stitch we're going to make a double crochet, and we're going to place a double crochet into every stitch all the way across until 56 stitches remain. So once you've double crocheted all the way across, leaving the last 56 chains unworked, we are going to now single crochet into each of those last 56 chains. So the single crochets at each end, these are going to be your cuffs, and the center part is going to be the main body that wraps around you. So for row 2, we're going to chain 1 and then turn our work, and then we're going to single crochet working into the back loop of the next 56 stitches. So once you've worked your 56 single crochets into the next stitch and working into both loops, we are going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into that same stitch. Then we're going to skip the next stitch, and then into the next stitch make a single crochet and a double crochet into that same stitch. And you're just going to repeat that all the way across. You're going to skip the next, and then into the following stitch make a single crochet and a double crochet, and you're going to repeat that all the way across until 58 stitches remain. So once you have 58 stitches left, we're going to skip the next, and then into the following stitch make one single crochet. And now we're going to start working on the sleeve part of it. So into the next stitch and working into the back loop, we're going to make 56 single crochets. So at this stage your piece should look like this. Don't forget mine is a far smaller swatch, yours is going to be a lot longer. Now for row 3 we are going to chain 1 and then turn our work. We're going to single crochet back loop only 56 stitches. And once you have your 56 single crochet back loop only, we are going to double crochet into both loops into the next stitch, and to each stitch all the way across until you have 56 stitches remaining. So once you've double crocheted all the way across until 56 stitches are remaining, we are going to single crochet back loop only into those last 56 stitches. And that's basically it. You're going to just repeat rows 2 and 3 until the end of row 41. I'll just go ahead and show you what row 4 looks like just one more time. We're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to make 56 single crochet back loop only. Once you've got your 56 single crochet back loop only, we are going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. And then we're going to skip the next stitch, and then into the following stitch we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet, and you're going to repeat that all the way across until 58 stitches remain. And then once you have 58 stitches left, we're going to skip the next and then single crochet, working into both loops in the next stitch. And then we're going to make 56 single crochet back loop only. And that's it. You just repeat rows 2 and 3 until the end of row 41. Once you've got your 41 rows completed, we are going to fasten off and leave a long tail. And now we're going to get a yarn needle and we're just going to seam the edges of each sleeve cuff together. So here's my yarn needle. And with the right side facing up, we're just going to fold the sleeve part so the edges are together, and we're going to just seam all the way across. And once you have this sleeve done, you're going to repeat the same process on the other sleeve, and that's it. That's your wrap sweater completed. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and don't forget the free written pattern is on my blog crochetwithcarrie.com. So until next time, take care.